a blooming morning. Today we are going to start past perfect continuous or progressive tense. Already we have completed simple past, past continuous and past perfect. Now past perfect continuous or progressive tense. An action started in the past and continued in the past tense. That is past perfect continuous. Or in other words, the action started in the long past and it is stopped completely when we are speaking about that. So the action started long back. Now it's not continuing. It stopped then and there itself. Example, something had been happening in the past, or I had been living in Hyderabad. In the sense, some years ago or some times ago you were living in Hyderabad, but now you are not living. That is the meaning. So that is past perfect continuous. The action started in the long past and it stopped continuing. It stopped completely. It is not continuing. So while seeing continuous, the people will be thinking in their mind the action will be continuing. It's not continuing. It stopped completely. And it was continuing only in the past time, not in the present time. See, the subject like I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Along with this, we can use had been. And any verbs you can take. Living, working, playing, swimming, sleeping. Any verbs you can take. I had been living. You had been working. They had been playing. So, I would like to remind you one thing. In past perfect continuous, the structure had been plus verb plus ing form. So here we can use only had been. There is no question arising by using have or has. Here only had plus been. See, let us go through deeply. Happening. It had been raining all the day. It had been raining all the day. Does it mean today also raining or now also raining? No. Happening before another event. We had been playing softball before it started to rain. That action happened then and there itself, not now. Happening in the duration. They had been working on that project for 6 months or since January. They had been working on that project for 6 months. Then happening pattern. We had been going to the gym regularly. That's a pattern. We had been going to the gym regularly. Then does it mean now also you are going for a regular exercise in the gym? No, it is not like that. Happening cause. She was tired because she had been studying all night. She had been studying all night. She was tired. That action happened before only. She was tired because she had been studying all night. That happened one day before or 2 days before or some days before. So, and another one more thing I would like to remind you, stative verbs we must not use here. What are stative verbs? It is not action words. See, like verbs like believe, know, understand, love, hate, like, dislike, etc. will come under stative verbs. I have already explained all the other classes about stative verbs. So, think in your mind or keep in your mind, stative verbs are just against to this, and we are not supposed to use while we are using past perfect continuous. Okay? So, what is the structure of past perfect continuous? Subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing form. So here positive, negative, questions. Positive, all these subjects you can take. I, you, we, they, she, he, it. All these subject you can take. Then here negative pattern. What's the structure? Subject. I had. Then what you have to take? Been you have to. You have to take been. I had been. Verb. Any verb you can take. Writing, reading, then working, anything. I had been working. Work is a verb, ing form. Working. I had been working. You had been working. We had been working. They had been working. She had been working. He had been working. It had been working. Okay? So, all this subject you can take and you can frame the structure and you can frame past perfect continuous tense. Suppose if it is in negative sentence, you have to use had not been or hadn't. So hadn't is contraction, short form. So what are the question words we can use here? Who, why, where, how long? How long had you been here? Okay? Such words you can use. Question. Question. All these subject if you use together, all these subject you can use together and you can frame questions. Questions. I had been. Had you been here? Had I been here? Had we been here? So by using had been and you can frame the question. What you have to do? Had you have to use the beginning and you have to frame the question. Okay? Here positive, negative question. Had he been waiting for a long time? Had he been waiting for a long time? If it is yes, yes. Yes, he had. Or else, no, he hadn't. Hadn't is the contraction. For positive sentence, you are not supposed to use contractions. Had you been considering that offer? Yes, I had. If anyone offer you something, will you neglect it? Yes. Or the people, if you don't want, what they'll do? No, I hadn't. Then contraction you used. Had they been planning a trip? Yes, they had. Or else, no, they hadn't. Contraction they used. Had you been planning to learn these tenses? Had you been planning to learn these tenses? Had you been planning to learn these tenses? To learn these tenses today? Yes, I had. Or else, no, I hadn't, you must not say. Because you are sitting here to learn tenses. Once you perfect in tenses, half of the English you got it. The meaning is half of the English you got it. So wherever you are committing errors, that is in tense place only. Commonly you people think in your mind, simply if you learn something from here and there, you can learn English, you will think. But that is not correct. That is not correct. Commonly, if you are thorough in tenses, the usage and the structure, then half of the grammar or half of the spoken English you got it. That is the meaning. So by learning, use all the structure in various tenses. Then try your level best. Then easily you can get it. Both spoken and written English you will get it. So I hope everyone may try this, try their level best, and you can get accustomed with the usage and structure of the tenses, and very shortly everyone will speak without any errors in between. Okay? Hence, let us go through some examples. Here, positive, these are negative, and these are questions. I dash think of ordering pizza. So while using past perfect, how can we fill the blank? I had been thinking. I had been thinking. Then he dash hoped to get a promotion. He had been hoping. He had been hoping. They dash look for the key. They had been looking for the key. She dash miss her family. She had been missing her family. Lata dash prepare for her exam. Lata had been preparing for her exam. So negative, what we have to use? Hadn't been exercising regularly. He dash exercise regularly. He hadn't been exercising regularly. He hadn't been exercising regularly. ING form. Had plus been plus verb plus ING form. We hadn't been checking our letterbox. I dash sleep well. I hadn't been sleeping well. So here hadn't in the sense contractive form. Here questions. Had dash he feel unwell? Had he been feeling unwell? Question mark. Had he been feeling unwell? Next one. Had dash you text each other? Had you been texting each other? So here all you can see had plus been plus the verb plus ing form. Here contractive form and been plus ing form. Okay. Hence, let us go through these sentences. Common errors. I told you last all the classes, in every tenses we may get knowingly or unknowingly we may get errors. We know that, but while writing we may create some errors. For example, in tense wise, how we are creating mistakes. John has been looking for a job. That sentence is correct only. John has been looking for a job. That is correct. But as per past perfect continuous or progressive concern, this sentence is wrong. Why? We won't use past perfect continuous has been. We will use had. So John had been looking for a job. See the difference between simple past and present and simple past. See difference. John has been looking for a job means he is searching a job even now also. John had been looking for a job. He was searching a job, but now he is not searching. That is a different. Simple present and simple past. These are the difference. Stative verbs. In stative verbs, I told you, you are not supposed to use certain verbs like know, then believe. Such words you are not supposed to use it using past perfect. Here, they had been knowing each other for many years. Knowing stative verb, we are not supposed to use it past continuous. So instead of knowing, what we have to use? Stative verb. They had known. Been also you are not supposed to use. They had known. They had known. They had known each other. They had known each other will come, which tense it will come under? They had known past perfect. It is not past perfect continuous. Spelling. Certain sentences, particularly students communities, while writing they will commit mistake regarding contractions. She hadn't been attending classes. Actually, that only they want to pronounce and they want to write the sentence. But here, instead of keeping here apostrophe, they'll keep here apostrophe. It's wrong, no? So she hadn't been attend the classes, hadn't HADN apostrophe T, not before had. N apostrophe T you have. Then regarding spellings also, I told you previous classes ending with the E, ending with the IE, what all the changes we have to make. I already explained in the other classes. The traffic hadn't been moving, MOVEING, that is wrong only, no? We have to remove E and we have to write ING. So here this is wrong, moving. You have to write moving like this. Okay? Then since and for, where all we are using, I told you, before classes I told you, duration of time and specific time. Specific time must be using. The police had been searching for him since 2 months. That is wrong only, no? So since we are not supposed to use here for, or else the police had been searching for him since January or since February. If it is like that way, that is correct. But the duration of the time it is given here. Then see positive, negative and questions. How we have been used. They had been learning English. Positive sentence. They hadn't been learning English. Negative sentence. Had they been learning English? Question. So by using where, how long, why, and we can frame questions. What is that? Where had you been learning English? How long had you been learning English? Why had you been learning English? Why had you been learning English? For better knowledge. Where had you been learning English? Wherever you can get better English, you will learn there. Then, how long had you been learning English? Since a long time. You can give reply as per the tense concerned. Okay? So, past, perfect, continuous or progressive, had plus, been plus, verb plus, ing form, and you can go for all the detailed information what I told you. So you can practice at home. You can do certain exercise by framing by yourself, and you can get at most use out of these 4 tenses. Okay? Kindly like, share and subscribe the video by clicking the bell icon which is given below, and gather the ocean of knowledge. We are getting only droplets. So try your level best, maximum, to get the ocean of knowledge. Thank you. Have a nice day.